Hey girl, hey! Welcome to the beauty channel for the girl next door. If you have scars, acne, could stand to lose a few, love hoodies, memes, and hot fries, oh my god, you're in the right place. The bag ripped. I have to eat it all before it goes bad. Worth it. Welcome home, baby girl. Before we get into it, you know what to do. Be sure to like, be sure to share, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, be sure to share, be sure to subscribe. Alright, y'all. Let's go from girl next door to jaws on the floor.
Make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me.
The reason that we're using primer is we want to make sure that our foundation stays in place. That thing is not moving. You're going to treat this foundation like it's stuck at a stoplight. It ain't going anywhere. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Do not collect anything other than these pores, okay? Just stay put. So anywhere where you are going to put foundation, you need to have your primer. That's on the side of and right behind the ears, on the side of the neck, underneath the chin, onto the neck, underneath the eyes. Everywhere where foundation is going to be, primer needs to be there too. We're going to go on to color corrector. This step is not necessary for everyone, but I like to use it to make sure that my dark circles and my red spots are covered.
Watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me.
And that's our look. All done. Hope you enjoyed the video. But seriously though. So now that we've put our color corrector everywhere where there are dark spots, hyperpigmentation, any serious scarring, we're going to let this sit for a second, and then we're going to tap it in.
It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling.
Do you see that? We were able to press delete on that acne faster than your contact list after a night of drunk text. We were able to ignore those dark circles like they were student loans. We're going to take a light coverage foundation, mix it with some oil. Girl, now I know this looks crazier than peanut butter on a pickle, but you're gonna have to trust me. It allows you to use less foundation without compromising coverage. Depending on the oil you're using, it also gives your skin some much needed vitamins in the process. Using the Urban Decay All-Nighter Liquid Foundation, mixing it with some aloe vera oil. I would tell you about this brand, but unfortunately, Banish has discontinued their aloe vera oil. However, you can buy aloe leaves at the grocery store and make the oil yourself. We're just going to take a few pumps of this foundation, and we're going to take our dropper with a little bit of this oil and use a dampened beauty blender to blend all of that together. Treat your face like a 5-year-old's birthday party. This is the bounce house, and this is you after too much cotton candy. You're just going to bounce the crap out of this thing. Just work that all into the skin.
You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go.
Pretty fresh. Now if there's still any stubborn imperfections, okay, hide that like your pictures from middle school.
Guarding your faith with the palm of your hands. I know, yeah I know.
this is our last and final step.
Life hack alert.
This is so creative. If anyone sees you doing this, they're going to offer you your own show on HGTV. We're going to take our Maybelline Fit Me powder and our highlight. To keep your powder from making you look too matte, mix a small amount of highlighter to give you that glow from within.
That's right.
I feel like a scientist. Always tap the excess.
Make me feel like home.
Oh my god, I am looking slicker than a pickup line.
You turn around, I feel the breeze over me.
If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you thought I missed something, leave it in the comments down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And we have a big giveaway coming up once we hit 500 subscribers, and a huge one coming up once we hit 1,000. If you want a chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe, like a video, and leave a comment in the comment section. You want to see more content? Let me know. See you soon. Bye.
I'm calling free.